Hi everyone, it's Corrie, and today I'm going to show you how to put this guitar candy holder together. So here we are with all of the pieces cut out. This is the iris shutter, and there is a separate tutorial linked in the description below. That'll show you how to put that one together. These two pieces that are identical have a smaller hole, and they are the back pieces. This piece with the larger hole is the front. It's a black card. I used craft board from Cricut, and then we have a few delicate cuts here. This is glitter cardstock that I've used. So I like to put all of the pieces of the front together like a jigsaw. So I'm going to move these pieces out of the way and start with the front. I'm going to be using Beacon 3-in-1 glue. This is my favourite. So I'll start with the largest part, and then I'll just place it down, and there's meant to be like a little outline around the edge. And the most important thing is to make sure that the big circle in the center is clear. So I like to just flip it over and make sure that that is aligned, because this is where the dome is going to sit. Okay. So I'm just adding the neck, and as you can see, there's like a little line there. They should be aligned together. Again, when you place this down, you'll be able to see that there's an edge there on the circle that it should align to, and then there's just like a little outline, and this rectangle should be pretty much in line like that. This piece is actually holographic card, so I'm going to use Zig two-way glue on this piece because I find that the beacon can sometimes stain. Okay, so that is the front piece finished now. We're going to move on to the back. We have two identical pieces and the iris shutter. So you've got an option with this design. You can either put the iris shutter along this right hand side like this. I like to put it down and just check where the arm is going to be when it's open and when it's closed. You could run it along the bottom if you prefer. It's up to you. I'm going to put it on the right hand side. So I flip it over and I cover that outer ring with glue. Then I pick up both pieces and make sure that this center circle is aligned, and then give it a bit of a squeeze. Make sure that that handle is visible. Then the next step is to take double-sided foam tape and cover all of this back area, except for this area here where the arm is going to swing. We don't want to block that area in any way. I like to leave a little bit of space around the iris shutter. It doesn't have to look perfect. Nobody's going to see this area. And then use the Beacon 3-in-1 glue again to go around this outer circle again. And then what we're going to do is basically sandwich that iris shutter between these two identical pieces. So just try and align it using the center circle and the edges. I find it helps if you stand up and you can sort of look down on it. Then give it a squeeze all around. This is the iris shutter working. I like to just check that it's still working at this point because we've squeezed it together. You want to make sure that you've got no glue or foam in the wrong place. The next step is to place the front on, and I like to run the glue around this circle here. If you don't like this idea, you maybe think that your card will be stained by the glue, you could just run a pencil line along there and then remove the front and then add the glue. So I like to do this, remove the front and then place the dome into this circle of glue. The next stage is to cover all of this back area either in double-sided foam tape, which will give a 3D effect, or in the Beacon 3-in-1 glue. I'm going to use the glue today because it's quicker. And then just place the front on. Obviously, if you can leave things to dry for a while, that would be great. I just do everything really quickly for the tutorial. But this is your finished candy holder. I'll just show you it working. There we go. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. Please follow and subscribe. Thanks now, bye.